Ano ang isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit nasisira ang tiwala sa workplace at ano ang pwede mong gawin about it? Merong quote na attributed kay Ronald Reagan. All the problems in the world would disappear if we talk to each other instead of about each other. Agree ako dito, especially sa workplace. Maraming organizational problems ang lumalala hindi dahil walang solusyon, kung hindi dahil hindi nag-uusap ng maayos ang mga taong kailangan mag-usap. Managers are frustrated dahil hindi nagdi-deliver yung mga employees according to expectation. Employees naman are frustrated dahil feeling nila unfair ang management. Both sides feel disrespected. Pero madalas, hindi mo yan makikita sa surface. Bakit? Because many workplaces are dominated by fake harmony. Tahimik sa meeting, walang kumukontra, walang nagtatanong. Kapag nagsalita ang boss, okay po. Pero paglabas ng meeting, doon nagsisimula ang totoong conversations. Hindi naman gagana yan. Bahala sila. Sinabi ko na nga ba? And sometimes, employees don't even have to say anything. They simply disengage and wait for the decision to fail. Pero hindi rin employees ang problema, ha? Some managers don't know how to engage their people properly. They don't ask the right questions. They don't listen. They avoid difficult conversations. Or worse, hindi talaga nagko-communicate hanggat walang problema. So saan tayo nagsisimula dapat? Start with communication. Unahin natin yung mga managers because leaders shape the communication culture of the organization. Kailangan marunong silang makinig, magtanong, magbigay ng feedback, mag-explain ng decisions at humarap sa disagreement without becoming defensive or dismissive. Then, improve the communication skills of employees as well. Kailangan matuto silang magsalita kapag meron silang concern, magtanong kapag hindi clear, magbigay ng feedback, at even challenge an idea when necessary, pero in an assertive and respectful way. Imagine what happens kapag maayos ang communication pababa, pataas at across teams. Mas clear ang goals, issues are raised before they become bigger problems. Mas madaling ayusin ang processes dahil people are willing to point out what isn't working. And when people understand what needs to be done and why, productivity improves. Pero para sa akin, hindi enough na productivity lang ang gumaganda. Good workplace communication should also improve employee welfare. Kasi kapag may tunay na communication, naririnig din ng management kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng employees. Unreasonable workflow, workload, unclear expectations, unfair treatment, compensation and benefits, policies that aren't working, or problems that management may not even know exist. And that's where fairness comes in. Hindi pwedeng yung communication is only about itong kailangan ng company na gawin ninyo. Good communication should allow both sides to talk about what the organization needs and what the employees need to do their jobs well and be treated fairly. Kapag gumanda ang productivity at gumaganda ang welfare ng mga tao, that's a good sign that communication is working. Because a successful workplace shouldn't have to choose between performance and people. It should create an environment where people can perform, contribute, speak up, and feel that they're being treated fairly. So instead na pag-usapan natin ng isa't isa kapag may problema, matuto tayong mag-usap. Gusto mo mag-improve ang organization mo? Start by improving how people communicate with each other. Follow for more.